In today's video, I'm going to teach you steps to change security questions if logged in. Before we start, here's what we're doing and why it matters. Security questions add an extra layer of protection to your Payoneer account, especially when you're recovering access or confirming it's really you. Updating them every so often, or after any changes to your personal information, is a smart habit. You'll need to be logged in, and you may need access to your phone to confirm the change. First, sign into your Payoneer account as you normally would. Make sure you're on the official Payoneer website or app and, if possible, connected to a secure network. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It might look like a small avatar or your initials. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu, head into Settings and then choose Security Settings. This section is where Payoneer keeps your key protection tools like passwords, two-step verification, and of course, your security questions. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout so you can easily find things later. Now, locate the Security Questions area. You should see an option to change or edit. Select that to begin the update process. Payoneer will guide you through prompts to choose your new questions and enter your answers. When picking questions and answers, go for options that are memorable to you but hard for anyone else to guess. Avoid obvious details that could be found online, like public social media information, and consider using answers that are consistent but unique. Something you'll remember without writing down in plain text. If you use a password manager, this can be a safe place to store your answers securely. As part of the update, Payoneer may ask you to verify it's really you. If prompted, they'll send a verification code to your phone. Keep your session open, check your messages, and enter the code exactly as shown. These codes usually expire quickly, so if it doesn't work the first time, request a new one and try again. Never share this code with anyone. Once you've entered your new answers and completed any verification, confirm and save your changes. You should see a success message indicating that your security questions have been updated. That's it. Your account now has refreshed security questions. To recap, you signed in, opened your profile menu, went to Settings, then Security Settings, selected security questions, and followed the on-screen prompts, including verification if required. Keep your answers private and memorable, and you'll be set for a smoother, more secure account experience.